Website maintenance is all about content editing and content creation. To create content, there are two general ways of going in. We can go to content, add content, and in this case, we'll create a basic page. You might be creating a news blog or a gallery image or an event, but in this case, we'll create just a simple basic page. First thing you want to do is give it a title. We'll call it test page. And in the WYSIWYG editor, we want to drag it over to approximately the size of the page content on the site. You can type directly into the window and affect it just like in a normal word processing program. In a lot of cases that you have a document that's been created in Microsoft Word, and Drupal does allow you to do a word import, and sometimes it will create the formatting from the Word document. We found it's a little bit more effective to paste it in as simple text and add the formatting actually in the Drupal environment rather than try to bring in the Word document that has the hooks back to the formatting in Word, and sometimes it works and sometimes it does not. So in this case, we have a document here that we've created, and we're going to highlight the text, hit Control-C for copy, and then this button here is paste as plain text. It will bring up a dialog box, and it will say, ask you to hit Control-V to paste it in. In this dialog box, you cannot right-click and hit paste. So there we see we have a text block. We're going to bring in some more copy. And so we have, let me just add this is my Drupal has bold, italic, underline, you can bullet point. It does allow you to do a lot of the things that a word processor does, but it also has preset, for instance, content types. Normal. If we want to create titles within a page, normally you use a heading 2 or heading 3. So in this case we have 2 heading 2s. And there we have a block of text. We want to use full HTML. And we can see what this in general looks like. We're going to, for instance, let's italicize this. But until you hit save and view it within the website, you don't truly know how the layout works. So we want to hit save. And now we can see the layout of the page. If we decide that we want to go back into it, in other words, the title is always represented here, and we'll hit edit, drag it over, and we'll take this out, put it in as our title, come back and hit save. This is MRI. We have italicized text and then normal text.